I caught your eye. Your smile was the brightest light passing by. I kept my feelings quiet, hidden away, until I found the courage just to say, would you like to go out and see the sea with me? And that's when our story began so quietly. Here we are again, right here, just us two. The summer crowds have gone, and the quiet feels true. The view we loved back then, the one we see today, still takes my breath in the very same way. Holding you close with no need to hurry, we'll keep coming back. Nothing to fear. I remember the day you walked up to me, a little nervous, sweet as you could be. When you asked about the sea, my heart took flight. I knew in that moment you were Mr. Right. We married young, raised kids with care, had our fights, but we always repaired. Morning would come and we'd both say sorry, laughing it off like a small silly story. And now it's just us like the old days again. Autumn light falling soft where our moments remain. Here we are again, right here, just us two. The summer crowds have gone, and the quiet feels true. The view we loved back then, the one we see today, still takes my breath in the very same way. All that we need, holding you near, we'll keep coming back. Nothing to fear. Someday our kids will wander back here too, following footsteps that once felt new. Love keeps on moving from heart to heart, like these gentle moments, endless from the start. Here we are again, right here, me and you, keeping the promise we made when our love was new. All the